All right, so let me give you a little bit of an overview about Qiao Education Science and Technology Company Limited. Now, the company was established in 2004 and they have 2 factories. I'm in their new factory right now, which is about 22 acres, and their old factory is about 5.9 acres. We're going to be checking both today. So let me also share that they are the world's leading unpowered amusement equipment manufacturer here in China, and they do focus on research and development, planning, sales and after-sales installation, operation, and management. I have here, all right, we have a couple of certifications here. Let's talk about it. So here is the certificate for ISO. Your company, your factory is ISO 9001 certified. And this is, I think, ISO 14001 certified. And then you mentioned earlier that your products are also compliant with the safety standards of Europe. So this is, I think, CE, and then also they comply with the EN 71. Okay, just the certification, different certifications, right?
Also CE.
CE, right? Now I'm actually in this very big facility, and this factory actually covers 18,653 square meters floor area. Now they have about 300 employees, including 200 sets of processing equipment and 200 workers. Now their products are classified into 2 parts. They have educational equipment and cultural and travel equipment. Now with their production process, they're divided into 3 sections. They have the plastic processing, they have the furniture production, which is behind me right now, all the woodwork that's in any playground equipment, that's where they install and work them out. Now, and also they have their personalized, customized equipment. That includes metal processing, which is on that side over here. Over there, all the welding, all the metal, things that are involved in the playground equipment, they do it there. All right, so while in the production line, while in each workshop, they also have quality inspectors assigned. Now these guys are specialists and they do check while in production that all these parts of these playground equipment comply with safety standards. Now they have actually 20 people. They inspect from raw materials to manufacturing process to finished products to storage and all these different processes as the product is being produced. Now they have around 50 people in this team. What they mainly focus on is to produce and design products that aim, keep in mind guys, sports, games, teaching, freedom for kindergarten. Additionally, they also come up with concepts for real estate, culture and tourism, park landscape, preschool education, and commercial complex.